Chapter 1, Class 6, Part 2. So today we are going to study programming languages and their types and language processor and their types. So let's start the topic. Before starting with programming language, what is language and why we use language? So basically language is used for communication. Now to communicate with computer, we use programming language. So programming language definition is a language that is designed to communicate instruction to a computer. It means we give instruction to computer and it process it and give us result. There are four types of programming language. First generation programming language, second generation programming language, third generation programming language, and fourth generation programming language. As you can see in this diagram, there are four types of programming language. First generation, second generation, third generation, fourth generation. In first generation programming language, we use binary code for instructions, which means 0 and 1. It is also known as machine language or low-level language. It is machine dependent language. Machine dependent means program written for one computer may not run on another computer. Basically, computer direct understand the machine language, but programmers find it very difficult to write machine language. Okay, so second generation programming language use mnemonic codes. Mnemonic codes are basically very short words for command. It is also known as low level language or assembly language. It is also machine dependent language. Now come to the third generation programming language. It is simple and user friendly, known as high level language. It is machine independent language, which means programs written on one computer can also be run another computer. Example of third generation programming language are Fortran C and Basic. Fourth generation programming language. Fourth generation programming language use short English phrases. It is highly user friendly, known as very high level language. Examples SQL, Java and Visual Basic. Now we got to know that first generation language and second generation language both are machine dependent and low level language. In contrast, third generation and fourth generation language are high level language and machine independent language. Language processor. Language processor are those software programs that translate programming language into machine language, which means computer need processor to convert high level language into machine language so that it can give user useful result. Basically, computer doesn't understand high level language, so when user gives it instruction, first processor convert it into machine language, then gives user output. Types of language processor. So there are three types of language processor. First is assembler, second is interpreter, and third is compiler, as you can see in this diagram. So we will start with assembler first. Assembler. An assembler translates a program written in assembler language into the machine language, which means assembler translates whole program from assembly language to machine language in one go. Interpreter translate the program one line at a time and execute translated instruction before processing to the next line, which means interpreter translate the program but line by line. In contrast, compiler translate the entire program written in high level language into machine language in one go, which means compiler will translate whole program in one go. Unlike interpreter will do translation line by line, but compiler will do translation in one go. It will translate whole program in one go only. So this is the last topic of this chapter. I hope it will be helpful for you. Thank you.